Supreme Court of India cautioned against misuse of criminal law by power centers. The Supreme Court of India on Friday came out with strong observations that have far-reaching consequences in the execution of criminal law. Making its resounding ruling on the Republic TV chief editor Arnab Goswami, the apex court has lambasted the Maharashtra High Court. The Supreme Court accused the High Court of abdicating its role. The apex court came heavily on the Maharashtra High Court, giving a loud and clear message to the whole nation. The Supreme Court was delivering its views on granting bail for Arnab recently. No power center could misuse the CRPC or any law for harassment of a citizen. Commenting on the denial of granting bail to Arnab by the Maharashtra High Court, the division bench said the HC failed to apply its mind to fundamental issues. The division bench of the Supreme Court, comprising D.Y. Chandrachud and Indira Banerjee, said the High Court must scrutinize contents on the FIR. Deprivation of liberty for a single day is too much. The High Court must use its powers with caution and circumstances. Justice Chandrachud said that prima facie it could not be held that Goswami had abetted the suicide of Anvay Naik. Arnab was arrested and sent to jail on charges of abetment in the suicide of interior designer Anvay Naik in 2018. The Maharashtra High Court denied bail to the veteran journalist and was in jail for 8 days till the apex court granted him bail on November 11th. Arnab cannot be considered to be guilty of having abetted the suicide within the meaning of section 306 of the IPC. One must ensure that criminal law should not become a tool for selective harassment. The division bench lamented that the High Court failed to establish whether or not there was a prima facie case under section 306 of the IPC dealing with abetment to suicide. Making a hard-hitting comment against the Maharashtra High Court, the Supreme Court said, "We are clearly of the view that in failing to make even a prima facie evaluation of the FIR, the High Court abdicated its constitutional duty and functioned as a protector of liberty." In its 62-page order, the apex court had sent out strong message to the whole judicial hierarchy in India. Courts must be alive to the need to safeguard the public interest in ensuring that the due enforcement of criminal law is not obstructed. Equally, it is the duty of courts across the spectrum, the district judiciary, the high courts and the Supreme Court, to ensure that the criminal law does not become a weapon for the selective harassment of citizens. The division bench observed that the doors of this court cannot be closed to citizens who are able to establish prima facie that the instrumentality of the state is being weaponized for using the force of criminal law. The judgment from Supreme Court will set a precedent and strong force against misuse of criminal laws by the law enforcement agencies duly influenced by authorities like state governments.
Please subscribe the channel. Also, click the bell button to get the latest updates.